Today we will look at the proper way to change out a Nova latch if it does not function properly. Open the door. There are 4 screws on the back side. Take a screw gun and remove the 4 screws on the back side of the door on the inside of the latch plate. Once you have those screws loose, the inside of the latch should come off. Go ahead and remove the interior part of the latch. Close the door, and then you can remove the exterior part of the latch. It should pop right out. Go ahead and go retrieve your new latch. Once you have the new latch, the 2 halves, the paddle part goes on the outside. Fit that into the outside hole and open the door, holding it in place with your other hand, and line the inside part of the latch up with the outside part of the latch, looking carefully to make sure your screw holes line up. Once you have it in place, it might not hurt to take a flashlight and check the screw hole, make sure everything lines up nice before you start trying to put screws into it. Once everything is lined up, go ahead and start a screw with the tips of your finger. Put it in place. Take the screwdriver or electric drill and be careful not to over tighten the latch itself. And put in the next one until you have all 4 screws in place. Once you have the screws in place, make sure everything lines up. It's nice and square in the door, centered on your hole. And check it for function. Open and close it a couple times and make sure everything is adjusted and making sure everything works the way it's supposed to.